Since you are on the YouTube platform and watching this video, I'm assuming you are familiar with YouTube. Did you realize, though, that you could watch music videos on YouTube and earn money every day, every hour, or even every minute? This is the potential earnings for you. One YouTube song might earn you $5 to listen to. You may get paid $25 for 5 music. You could complete this task using your computer or smartphone in under 10 minutes every day, and just repeat the entire process. The opportunity is entirely free. There is no need for a credit card or investment. You can be from anywhere in the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or Indonesia. Be sure to watch the entire video because I'll give you a few insider ideas that will help you earn 5 times as much money as others who don't watch these videos. Be careful not to pass up the chance by doing nothing more. But before we proceed, welcome to Make Money Online, where I'll be showing you the various ways of making money online in the simplest ways possible. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and hit that like button. Let's proceed with the video now. As you can see, the current app is the first one you should download. You can get paid to listen to music with one app, but I'll show you a few more later on that you can download for free to your phone. I'll also recommend some music for you to listen to, give you a practical example of how to use them, and give you a bonus tip that can help you earn more money. I'll be teaching you on YouTube how you can actually perform all of these songs and earn a ton of money online, so make sure you pay attention and don't skip any sections of this video. You can see here that I want to earn rewards while I'm running if you go to the main page. You can exercise while working, sleeping, or running. In fact, you can do it while the background music is still playing and still make money. Both the Google Play Market and the Apple App Store both include this application. This is the app's logo if you happen to have an Android phone in this location. Ensure that you are downloading the appropriate app. This app gets 4 stars and has over 2 million reviews. It's a great, strong application that is entirely legitimate. Once more, you may download this software for your Android device from the Google Play Store and then for your iPhone from the iOS App Store. I'll teach how to play music and how to pick the best music that will pay you the most money before I give you a real-world example. In actuality, this app has more than 100,000 radio stations, YouTube being one of them. Online, or even when you aren't connected to the internet, you can listen to music. To use this application, there are no fees to be paid. By listening to your favorite music, you may earn points that can later be exchanged for real money. It is totally free to use. So, after downloading the app from the Google Play Store, you can immediately start tuning into the radio station to listen to YouTube music. Pay attention to what you may see when you go into your account. Since this is just one means of earning money while performing music, I'll also demonstrate 2 more approaches. Watch on, and I'll give you a few more pointers that will enable you to earn 3 or 4 times as much as the other person. This is the music section of YouTube. There is a ton of music, playlists, and artists available. You can choose from a variety of recommended songs that can be played on YouTube in conjunction with the current web page. If you scroll down below, you can generate income automatically by combining various channels and applications. I'll now demonstrate it in real life for you. I'll give you an example of one of the playlists I've been concentrating on especially because I can listen to it. Actually, there is a ton of music in the queue. They will automatically switch to the following song after these ones are finished playing, and so on. Additionally, all of the tracks will be playable right now. And I'll get compensated for each one of them individually. The magic happens when you pick the repeat button when your cursor is over this icon in the bottom right corner of the playlist. When you can loop it, which means that once the playlist has finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it will automatically hop back to the first song and replay it, allowing you to earn money over and over. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video so far, and if you found this video to be interesting and educational, kindly leave a comment below. Please share your thoughts with us. It's time to return to work and start generating some income. Returning to the video, make sure you have a lot of music queued up is the extra piece of advice I want to give you. As you can see, I have about 20 songs ready to go in order to make money more quickly. The second bit of guidance I can provide you is to visit the main page. You'll notice these hot lists. You'll be directed to a page with higher quality, more suggested videos and music videos to view when you click on the hot list. Because they will pay you more money from the present app, I strongly urge you to choose one of these videos. With the help of this program, you may sing along with your YouTube song and get paid each time someone listens to it. The first method for earning money while performing music is this. The second method I'll demonstrate to you straight away is one you are likely far more accustomed to. You may already be using YouTube to watch videos right now, and you may do so on a daily basis. You may be aware that YouTube can play both videos and music videos. For instance, Pop Hits 2020 Top 40 Popular Songs. You can repeat the act of listening to all of the songs on a playlist like this for an hour and make money each time. I'm going to give you an example from real life right now. This is the sole tab that is open in my Google Chrome browser, as you can see. I'll open a second tab to listen to more music, then a third tab to listen to more YouTube music after that. I currently have 3 browser tabs open. So once more, let me give you this added advice. You can continuously make money while listening to music by opening numerous tabs. And I'll give you a few more quick suggestions right now that will enable you to increase your income. First and foremost, you should play music on YouTube that is at least an hour long, since the more time you spend listening to music, the more money you can earn. The second piece of advice is to click the settings link on this page. The speed may be normal by default, but it will be twice as fast if you double it. You should select 2, which indicates the music can be played twice as fast. You'll earn more money if you listen to more music. Here's one more advice. Actually, by turning off quality, you may lower the quality to 144p. This means that you can still listen to music because it will be playing in multiple tabs even if your internet connection is slow, or there are many others using your Wi-Fi. Limiting the quality to 144p is essential so that your internet is not used up, and you have free time to do other things. The final bonus point, a brand new Google Chrome extension, is something I won't demonstrate to you. Control over YouTube playback speed is displayed here. This cannot be downloaded to a computer, a phone, or a Google Chrome browser. There are presently more than 800 users, and it is totally free. Therefore, magic happens when you download the Google Chrome browser. Playback can be sped up by 3 times on mobile devices. You can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed because YouTube only permits 2 times the typical pace. When using the Google Chrome extension, you can adjust the speed as indicated here in the top right corner. By pressing the pause button or the decrease button, you can increase the playback speed and decrease it. You can now earn a lot of money since you can play music on the YouTube platform and the YouTube Music platform much faster after downloading this extension. So once more, downloading these apps is as simple as visiting the Google Play Store. You may also simply download the Current Rewards offline music app from the App Store if you have an iPhone. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.